In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix apps not opening on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really simple to go ahead and fix this, and you can do it on any Android you have, even if you're on a Samsung as well. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel. Then go to the top right again, where it has the settings wheel icon. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the apps section. Now mine is right here, so just go ahead and click on it and then find whichever app is not opening because it might just be bugged out right now. So let's say CapCut for me isn't opening properly. All I got to do is go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to see a lot of different options, but I want to scroll down. I want to go to usage first and then go to storage. Then I want to go ahead and clear cache. Don't clear data because you want to keep everything saved, but just click cache on the bottom right. And then as you can see, cache is now 0 bytes. And what I could also go ahead and do is firstly, just go ahead and force stop on the bottom right, press OK, and then try and open it. And then it should work just as normal. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.